Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a cumulative frequency curve which shows the blood glucose levels of some patients, and actually we do know how many patients are there. So if I look at the endpoint, I will actually get 300. So this some patients is actually referring to 300 of them. Find the range of the distribution. Well, so for the first part, right, the range, then I will have to look at two numbers. Okay, so for this range, I will have to look at two numbers. The maximum or the highest value of the blood glucose level, since we are measuring glucose level. So from here I gather that it is from 9 to 4. And so the range for part A, the range will be 9 minus 4. Okay, where 9 is the highest value for the blood glucose level and 4 is the lowest. And so this one will give me 5. Do remember to write down the units, in this case millimole per liter. Find the interquartile range of this distribution. Well, then I will have to find out two things: lower quartile and upper quartile. Because interquartile range, we will have to make the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, which is the Q3 and Q1. How then can we do that? Well, let me zoom in here. So we know that there are 300 patients, out of which 1/4, or the lower quartile, is represented here, which is equals to 75. So from the graph, I will then gather that 75 is here, and therefore I will then be able to get my Q1, which is here. Okay, which will be 4.8, and this is my Q1. Upper quartile is at the 3/4 mark, or 75% of the data, and in this case we have 300 of them, and this will then give me 225, which is here. And therefore, from the graph, then I gather that this is 7.2. This will be my upper quartile. And with these two values, I will then be able to get my interquartile range. Okay? Because interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So I will have my Q3 here and my Q1 here. After I minus, I will get my value of 2.4. Alright? And the last part, part C. What does this interquartile range mean then? Well, it means that for this particular middle 50% of the data, so this is, I repeat, this is the middle 50% of the data. In this case, middle 50% of the patients. What is their range? Okay, so that is exactly what it means. It means that the range of this middle 50% is 2.4. Alright, so let me just put it here. So to explain it simply, it just means that the difference between the upper or higher blood glucose level, which is our Q3, and the lower blood glucose level, which is my Q2, and this happens at where? The middle 50% is 2.4 millimole per liter. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.